I feel like teen drinking is really detrimental to their health and their brain development, and if you start when you're a teen, you may not ever stop. So, I mean, that's bad.
So teen drinking is bad because when teens get together and they drink, they all get drunk, and then someone ends up dying.
Message y'all.
Makes teens do things that they normally wouldn't do when they were sober.
So when teens drink, sometimes it's more towards peer pressure. I mean, you don't want to be the one person not drinking at a party or somewhere. So then they try it, then they don't really know what they can handle. So it's like a domino effect. Yeah, thank you. Of like behavioral issues in the future.
So when discussing alcohol consumption in teenagers, there's three main implications to keep in mind when determining whether or not it's beneficial or unbeneficial for teenagers to consume alcohol. The first issue that I find personally is that of maturation and moderation. It seems that whenever teenagers do anything in life, they like to do things in excess. And as a result, when we take that over to alcohol consumption, we see that individuals only consume alcohol at a very excessive rate in what we would classify as binge drinking. And so it's bad in that regard because when you consume alcohol at a very quick rate, it has serious health implications, not only for your body, but also for like dependency and alcohol dependency and things in the future. The second implication that concerns me about this is the fact of the health consequences that are a result of allowing individuals such as teenagers to consume alcohol, being that you're not having a fully developed brain until the age of 25, so allowing individuals under the age of 25 to consume alcohol may have negative effects in the formation of the brain development and may potentially have serious implications and consequences health-wise, leading to like alcohol dependency or alcoholism or other things of that regard, such as liver diseases, brain diseases, heart diseases, things of that rate as well. And then finally, the third thing, and it kind of plays into the other two things, is just responsibility and the fact that it's hard to trust teenagers to be responsible at something that most adults aren't responsible with, as we see through drinking and driving and the accidents that occur as a result of that. So I think it's beneficial for teenagers to have an appropriate age limit, although I do think the age limit should potentially be raised to 25, seeing as that scientifically when your brain starts to finish developing. I think for those reasons, one mainly being the health, and then two being the mindset and the attitudes behind it that don't allow for individuals to deal with it with the appropriate responsibilities that need to be taken with it, is why we shouldn't condone teen drinking.